Good morning! Good morning mga kasarangan and welcome back again to my channel. It's been long time na hindi tayo nag-upload ng mga video and now I'm back. So I just want to share my first vlog with this little one. My baby. Say hi to my baby. Ayan, sarap ng tulog ni baby ko. That's my baby. So, today is my birthday. I just got this beautiful gift. Ay, may ibon oh. Oy, alis dyan. Padagdag ka pa sa alaga ko eh. Ayan, it's my... Uy, nagising tuloy si baby ko. Sorry. Ayan kasi oh. May ano doon, oh, nakikain din. Dagdag din sa alaga ko. Ayan, go back to sleep, baby. So, today is my birthday. So, yung kapitbahay namin, nagbigay neto. Binigyan ang alaga. Super. Tagal ko ng pangarap mag-alaga. She's baby Carrie. She's a girl. Ayan. Ayan. Makikita niyo ng mga vlog ko with this little one every day. Ba tong ibon na to? Sobrang ano, ayan. She's still sleeping. Ayan. Ayan, say good morning. Po, sobrang happy ko. Happy din ang anak ng bunso kasi gusto din niya. So, it's okay, girl. Blessing naman. So, thank you for today. Thank you for this beautiful gift that I received today. Thank you so much. And that's it for today muna mga kasarangan. Thank you for watching. Please pa-subscribe naman and pa-like and pa-share if you like this video. Ayan. Thank you so much. God bless. Bye-bye.